What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Holiday World in Santa Claus, Indiana. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go! The running of the bulls is about to commence. Thanksgiving section of the park, and you know that means Voyage. Here we are. First ride of the day is all done. Voyage. That's the best wooden coaster I've done. It is so good. It's running so well right now. Not really any areas that would be really rough or jarring per se. Scale of 10, that's an 11. It did have the trim on and the mid-course was on just lightly, but I'm out of breath because it's that good of a ride. It's so long, just maintains the speed. It's incredible. In fact, I want to do it again right now. Just rode Voyage again, front row, again, unrelenting speed, crazy airtime on that thing. In my opinion, it's my favorite wooden coaster. It is not rough. It's amazing. Again, I'm out of breath, and I cannot wait to do it again later in the day. One saving grace, the Pepsi Oasis stands. You get free drinks here at Holiday World. Next roller coaster, B&M Wing, Thunderbird, and it's got a launch. Here we go. The former site for Pilgrim's Plunge. Hopefully they do something here. They are installing a fence line all the way around though. Interesting. Time for another wooden coaster, the Legend. And it's kind of interesting because outside the park it said that it was going to be closed today, and it's open. So good news. Legend, all done, and that was one of the longest waits that I've had in the last couple days at multiple theme parks. So about an hour. Legend is only running one train, and to be honest, operations were not the greatest. I noticed there was a little bit of an issue with ops, even at Voyage and Thunderbird as well, but it was really bad over here at Legend. Ride itself, though, phenomenal. I mean, crazy laterals in the Helix, stand-up almost style ejector through some of those hills, and I love the tunnels. It's unrelenting speed. I love how you dive right next to the water park as well. Scale of 1 to 10 on that one, I'm giving it probably an 8.5, almost a 9. It's running fabulous right now. And we only have one more wooden coaster left, and that's Raven. We're going to do that next. The Raven. Another wooden coaster. So Legend had an hour wait, and this is a walk-on. I don't get it. Whatever. We're about to ride it.
Words are hard. I know what it is, but sometimes I don't know what it is. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I just don't say the right thing. It's like when I actually tell people to have a happy Thanksgiving when they start to go live. You know, it's just one of those things that happens. They just kind of like.
The Raven, all done. It's a good ride, but I don't think it's better than the other wooden coasters. It's a little bit more intense, a little bit more jerky per se. It's not rough, but the airtime on some of those hills is ejector, and it is really good. I do like being out by the lake as well. Good first drop, and I love how you're going through the woods. Scale of 1 to 10, maybe an 8 on that one. There's other rides that are here and better. I would recommend that, but hey, short wait. And then we only have one credit left, the kiddie coaster. One of the staples of the parks, well, Utterly Blue ice cream. And I got mine in a waffle cone. Yes. Our final credit is in Holodog's Fun Town. Kiddie coaster. I know. Okay, it's here. Here we are. The Howler. Alright, so just did the last coaster credit of Holiday World, the Howler. Tiny, tiny car. I'm not a big guy. I'm not tiny, but my legs were crossed. Lap bar was down to the one click that allows it, and I was trying to breathe the whole ride, but it's a kid's coaster. I'm not even going to rate it, but that's it. We did all the coasters. Woo!
to see. Welcome to Autumn Falls. We're always happy to have visitors, eh, Forrest?
So we had some storms that came through a bit earlier, and much better on the weights now. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video from Holiday World in Santa Claus, Indiana. They have a bunch of wooden roller coasters and an awesome B&M wing launch roller coaster. And I got to say, park was pretty amazing on this visit. The only thing that wasn't, operations. They had one train on Legend, one train on Raven, and all of the rides were very slow loading. Food, atmosphere, everything else, bar none, amazing. Cleanliness of park, awesome. They have some great attractions here, and I know I'm going to be back in the future. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.